Welcome back to my channel, friends. I'm your host 10, and today we're going to be repotting this Ferocactus Latispinus. This was a rescue from a grocery store, and it was in desperate need of repotting. The soil has absolutely no drainage. It's basically just all peat moss, and it was as hard as a rock, basically. So this is actually a really cool cactus that is endemic to Mexico, from the southern regions of Durango all the way down to Oaxaca. It also goes by the name of the devil's tongue barrel cactus because of the singular spine that comes out that kind of looks like a tongue coming out from the center of the little spine clusters. They're normally found underneath nurse plants that provide them some sort of shade from the arid and sunny environments that you can normally find them in. They're usually hardy down to about 24.8 degrees Fahrenheit or -4 Celsius, and dead and dying ones are usually affected by this really cool looking Didinium slime mold, as you can see in these pictures. The soil recipe that I like to use consists of 2 parts peat-based cactus potting mix, 3 parts Jack's gritty mix, and 1 part perlite. I also add in a few granules of some slow release cactus food from the Grow Co. Then I get to repotting the rest of the cactus, making sure to fill up all the sides, and then I'm gonna use the little skewer to make sure I get all the grit and the rocks and all the soil in between the roots so that it's in there nice and firm. Make sure everything's really nicely compacted. And this time I decided I was gonna put labels on all my cacti so that I know for the future which one they are nice and easily. And here's the finished product. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video. Happy growing!